If you want smoother driving with less effort, Smart Cruise Control in Kia 2027 helps you maintain speed, distance, and even assist during overtaking. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to use it and set it up properly. Smart Cruise Control, also called SCC, is designed to maintain a safe distance from the vehicle ahead by automatically adjusting your speed. The system uses the front camera, radar, and corner sensors to detect lane markings and traffic in front of you. When a vehicle is detected ahead, SCC will automatically slow down or speed up to maintain the selected distance without you pressing the brake or accelerator. This makes long drives much more comfortable and controlled. Now here's where it gets smarter. When you turn on the left indicator to overtake, the Overtaking Acceleration Assist feature activates. This helps your car accelerate more confidently while passing another vehicle, making overtaking smoother and safer. Now let's go step by step to turn it on. Press the Driving Assist button on your steering wheel. This activates Smart Cruise Control and sets your current speed instantly. This is called One Touch Set, and you'll see the cruise indicator appear on your instrument cluster. If the car in front slows down, your vehicle will automatically reduce speed to maintain distance. To increase your speed, push the plus switch up. To decrease speed, push the minus switch down. If you want to pause the system, press the pause button. The indicator will turn gray. To resume, press it again. To completely turn off SCC, press the Driving Assist button. You can also adjust the following distance while driving. Press the Vehicle Distance button on the steering wheel and cycle through the available distance levels until you find what suits your driving style. Now let's customize it further. Go to your infotainment screen, press Setup, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance. Select Driving Convenience and open Smart Cruise Control settings. Here you can adjust driving style, following distance, acceleration, and reaction speed. For warning settings, go to Driver Assistance and tap the speaker icon or warning method. You can adjust warning volume, enable steering wheel vibration alerts, or control lane safety sounds. Driving safety priority and parking safety priority will reduce other audio so warnings are clearly heard. That's it. You now know how to use Smart Cruise Control in Kia 2027, making your driving safer, smoother, and more intelligent. Subscribe now for more simple car tutorials and smart features you need to start using today.